think sometimes when you're in sales, you forget something really important. Probably the most important thing. You've got to ask for it. I read this book a couple of years ago, and this one phrase stuck with me. No ask, no get. And the author tells this story about how his father was in sales, and he would tell him his daily goal was to get 100 no's, like as in N-O. 100 of them, because he said, if I go out there looking to get 100 no's, I know I'm going to get a bunch of yeses. But you don't get the yes unless you get a lot of no's, and unless you asking, you don't get a yes or a no, right? And you get stuck in this habit of being a professional visitor. So I'll take my own advice. I want you to book a call with me. I want you to book a call with me and let me tell you about how I help restoration businesses. I've got a program called the Restoration Sales Academy, and I've got another one for owners called the Restoration Profit Academy. Book a call with me and I'll tell you more about how I help people in our industry through those coaching programs. In the meantime, I want to talk to you about one thing that you can do. If you're in sales yourself, if you're the owner and you don't have a salesperson yet, do this. If you are a restoration sales rep, do this. Just ask this one question. Imagine you know this person. You've been calling on them for weeks, months, maybe even a year. I want you to just ask them, will you give us the next one, right? Look them right in the eyes. Will you give us the next opportunity to help one of your clients? Or if it's a property manager, will you give us the next opportunity to help at one of your properties that has damage? And just be quiet. See what they say. And if they say yes, I want you to ask it again. Say, are you sure? Is there anything that has you feeling reluctant about it? Because if there is, you want to know, right? You want to know right now so that you can address it. Or maybe you can't address it right now, but at least you know what's on their mind, right? So many times you will hear yes, but they don't really mean it. They're just being polite, right? So you have to dig a little bit deeper. Find out if there is anything that has them apprehensive about using your company the next time there's an opportunity to help. Remember, no ask, no get. Don't get stuck in this trap of feeling like you had a successful sales call just because you had a nice visit with them. And you talked about the kids, you talked about the weekend, you talked about upcoming vacation plans, right? That's not a productive sales call. That's a visit, right? So be a professional salesperson. Ask for the work. And if you don't already have a sales rep, that's okay. Do it yourself. If you feel stuck, if you feel a little scared because it's uncomfortable, book a call with me. I'll help you through it. We'll do a quick role play. You'll be all set. All right? Book a call with me, and I'll see you in the next video.